Safety is paramount in any vehicle, and the Toyota Yaris doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. These features include lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, providing an extra layer of protection. The Yaris also boasts a robust structure designed to absorb and distribute impact energy in the event of a collision. Multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags, provide comprehensive protection for occupants. With its impressive safety features and solid build quality, the Yaris offers peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Section 5. Inside the Yaris Comfort and Design. Step inside the Yaris and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and well-designed interior. While its compact footprint might suggest otherwise, the Yaris offers ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making even long drives enjoyable. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with intuitive controls that are easy to reach and operate. The infotainment system is user-friendly, offering seamless integration with your smartphone for music, navigation, and hands-free calling. Despite its affordable price point, the Yaris's interior feels well-built and refined. Section 6. Standing out from the crowd, comparing the Yaris. The compact car segment is a competitive one with numerous manufacturers vying for a slice of the market. So, how does the Toyota Yaris stack up against its rivals? Quite well, actually. Compared to competitors like the Hyundai Accent and Kia Rio, the Yaris holds its own in terms of features, performance, and value. While some competitors might offer slightly more horsepower or a larger infotainment screen, the Yaris consistently outperforms its rivals in areas that matter most to consumers, such as fuel efficiency, reliability, and resale value. The Yaris's reputation for durability and longevity gives it a distinct advantage in the long run.